So the next step, I will add some more seasoning. These are mag cubes and beef consomme. So I squeeze and add in our egusi. To add bitter leaves to my to the egusi, I have already washed it, and it's not that bitter because I boiled it a little. And lastly, I'm going to add the shrimps, or if you have crayfish, you can use crayfish, dry shrimp, just some, not all. It smells good. So after adding everything, and it's time to test if the taste is okay. If it's not okay, then we add if it's salt or some more seasoning, so and all spices. So I'm gonna test it and see if it's okay. Okay, I need a bit of salt. I'll add some salt, just a little salt. Please let me know. Ogami, today I did cook egusi now. The egusi is almost ready now. Come, let's chop now the egusi. I go make baku after this. And can get it anywhere now in Japan. Okay, it's ready. Done. Okay, so as you can see, today I was making egusi, Nigerian food. 今日はエグシ作りました。それはナイジェリアの食べ物です。とっても美味しいです。それでヘルシー、メロンの種でできてるからとっても美味しいです。今作りまして、見て。こんなに美味しいなエグシ作りました今日。I made a great egusi today. So, Oga, don't pass now. When you see this video now, please subscribe now. Nami now. Oga, please don't just scroll. Subscribe down there now. Nami now. Your bro. Okay, that's it. Today I was making Nigerian food, egusi. And I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna eat it with ugali. You know, from Tanzania we eat it. We cook ugali, but in Nigeria they cook baku or pounded yam. You know what I mean? But in Tanzania we say ugali, and I'm gonna eat this with ugali today. So please subscribe to my channel, Masunga John. Don't just scroll. 皆さんこのビデオ見たら Masunga John のチャンネルで登録してお願いします。That's all for today. Goodbye everyone. Kwaheri. Jane. Ciao.